I am again with you how to make intros, like long intros. So we are going to start it. Okay, you should again open the browser. I am opening Opera Mini and again type panzoid.com as you have done in part 1. If you haven't watched part 1, then please watch it. Okay, after writing the panzoid.com, you should click in the first link. Here you can see clip maker, background and video editor, and again you can see that there are many intros. Yes, you can see many intros. You can make any intros that you like, and also it is related to your channel also, YouTube channel also. Okay, go in home. You can see many more intros, like here in the first Stranger Thing intro. You can make their very nice intros. Okay, now I am making for you this 3D underwater intros. Okay, you should click in open in the click maker, sorry. Okay, we are playing first it. This intro will be like this. Okay, for editing you should click in the cube. You should make your resolution. If the resolution is correct, you can directly edit it. Okay, here you can see the text. Friend, one thing you should know, that in the both text, like suppose here is text your, and down here is name. You should click same. You should type same text. Suppose I am writing one text. This is related to my channel. Okay, I'll write handwriting. Sorry for this frame. Okay, I am writing handwriting. You can change the font of this text, anyone which you like. Down you can see the size of the text and height of the text. You also should edit that. Okay, in here also I am typing the same text and writing. Enter it. If you want to change the font, then you can easily change that. Okay, go down. Again you can see that there is name in both text. There is name. Okay, now in there that text, if your channel name is only one, then you can remove that and enter it. You can put it blank also. If you want to do like very special intros, then you can make like this. Okay, I'm again typing here special. Okay, I'm changing the font. Down text you should enter the full text, like here is your name. You should type handwriting special, other blah 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 about your channel. Okay, you should fully look that there is in group text. You should not write anything. Only in text you should write the name of your channel or other thing. So you should more careful while writing your text. You should look how many text are there. Okay, I am changing the font. Okay, down there is no other text. Okay, friend, I am editing the size and height of the text as I haven't found it. First you can do it first while writing the text also, but it will be more nice when you finish to write the text and do it in second. We can put same height and same thickness to the font. Also you can do it by scrolling your mouse. It is the better way. I am doing it only for your knowledge. Okay. Here also I'll do same. Now it's ready. You can watch this. Yes. Okay friends, this much for today. Thanks for watching my video, and do not forget to give thumbs up to my video and subscribe my channel. You can easily make such intros and make your videos attractive